Every expensive flagship phone we've seen this year uses a Snapdragon 845 chipset, and man, these things get pricey. The Note 9? $1,000. The Galaxy S9 Plus? $950 more or less. The OnePlus 6, which I can't hold in two hands, $530, which is better, but the new Pocophone F1 packs true flagship power for, wait for it, $300. It's launching in India first before heading to Europe, and after a week of testing, it's clear this is one intriguing machine. The way Pocophone's head of product sees it, a lot of people want flagship horsepower, but are less into the idea of dropping $1,000 on a super sleek but easily breakable all-glass handset. The end result is a kind of chunky, kind of bland-looking phone that runs nearly as well as devices that cost 3 times as much. Oh, and it's got killer battery life to boot. Other key features include either 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, up to 256 gigs of storage, and a surprisingly not terrible dual camera system. Throw in a liquid cooling system to keep things running smoothly under heavy loads, and we're working with a real powerhouse here. Sure, you'll have to deal with Xiaomi's, shall we say, eclectic MIUI interface, but after using the phone for a week, that's a small price to pay. The phone does have a few other disappointments though. There's a little bit of latency when you touch the screen, which makes the phone feel a little less responsive than it should. And the camera, while generally pretty good, leans on some hit or miss AI features. All told, this is one hell of a package for $300. Here's hoping it launches outside of India really soon. We'll see you tomorrow with more Engadget Today.